All right, y'all, we wanted to take a quick moment to wish y'all a Merry Christmas from our family to yours. Thank you so much for being with us during this whole month of Vlogmas. It's been a blast. We've had so much fun. We wish y'all all the best. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button or double check that you're still subscribed so you don't miss when I upload again, which will be in a few days. I'm going to take a little bit of time off, just kind of catch my breath, aggravate James a little bit, but I'll be back soon. I'll be back soon. We love y'all and we will see y'all soon. You got anything you want to add?
I was helping her catch her breath.
Bye, humbug.
Bah humbug.
We love y'all. We'll see y'all soon. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.